I need to find a girlfriend.
Well, it's easy.
It's easy?
You can put up a sign at your house that you're single.
And what does that even mean? Because I'm not really.
You're single means you have no one. Being single means that you have nobody to date with. Never dated in a long time.
We know. Mike is very single and alone.
How do you need her to look?
I don't care what color hair. A nice smile and a nice laugh.
Yeah, nice laugh,
And
like
make
a
sure
tiger.
Laugh like a tiger. I'm
And
gonna
make
write
sure
that down.
she's not a witch.
So make sure she's not a wait, what? So for my online profile, I need to like kind of describe myself. Mason, how would you describe how I act?
You're kind of funny and boring and everything.
Let's say somewhere in there.
You're awesome.
I'm gonna put I'm awesome. Should I be humble? Is that or is it good, better to be confident?
No,
Better to be confident.
No,
Okay.
be a man. Be a man for your girl. So she wants to go out with you. That means you could get a baby.
So with online dating, before I actually take her onto a date, I text her. So what are some like good things I should text her?
Hi, I'm Mason. I need you to go on a date at 11 o'clock.
Oh, just cut to the chase right away.
You can send her like a kiss emoji sign.
Oh, the kiss emoji.
Or the
sign.
heart sign.
Now, do I send her the kiss emoji or the kiss with the wink?
Kiss with the wink.
Kiss with the wink, my man. All right. Time to ask her to go on a date with me. Where should I ask her?
Maybe you can go to movie theaters for your date. If you already have her and you have kids, you can even go there to just watch a movie.
I suppose.
If you have kids, I mean, he can't have kids.
Then
so
the grandma can watch it.
Where else could I possibly take them to go?
Some place that has vegan food.
Vegan food. Do you like vegan food?
No. You can take her to Cheddar's.
I'll take her to Cheddar's. She'll love that.
Cheddar's out to eat.
Where is Cheddar's?
1144333.
Okay.
Cheddar's out to street.
Okay. So yes.
So pretend I'm the lady. You ask me something.
Would you like to go to Cheddar's with me?
Well, I do go to sleep a little early, but
So let's make it 6 then.
okay.
Okay. How'd I do?
You did great, but have a little more like energy.
Okay, so let's say I take her on a date and it's going really well and it's the end of the night. Is it okay to give her a kiss? No?
Well, not probably like where people are looking at you.
Okay.
But it's usually okay to do it when married.
Oh, so I don't kiss her until we get married?
Yeah, that's even better. That's
So
better.
just like a nice firm handshake? Or?
Yeah. Do it. Like
you give her a hug.
Boom, boom. Yeah. I don't think girls like that.
Do you have any final words, any final advice for me? Yeah.
Or you can also make a girl robot, but make sure she's not like beep boop bop boop beep boop bop boop.
So guys, this is like so much good advice. Thank you so much.
No problem.
No
Good
problem.
luck.
No problem.
Good
Good luck.
luck.
Good luck. Rocket ship.
Rocket ship.